Samira Bawumia ne party mu boys de dawa bontia me say nsem bia Bawumia grand go be collapse me na me ka chew me make sure me say nsem e be pepe okroma sadi pa me say amabomudin Dr. Bawumia, Samira Bawumia and Samia Uku. Get ready for me. Major so first one, I will not sit back. Safa manya me no. I come e bini makwai mu. Amanfo ne me reda, O jamanfo do obi kunu achi anya tu me say oba be kasa ba morality.
Abusuya ageta ena ho nsem apiem chopment apiem ayeden ewo ha. Ene Hopeson Adorye adwa ikoko apai wama eye yewura Bawumia ene ne yere 24 hours ultimatum eneyi ose allegedly se Bawumia yere amanfo chopo no a chopment omo chopo obeka ise na nsie ohono mo a ena amanfo betu social media prophet kese no so se obi ene Hopeson Adorye eyere eye gift Adorye akoda allegedly terese obi akoba ne task koma no amani kunu eye Hopeson Adorye ayede akopie so ene abusuya ebeje ne home na pa ewo tentan fidie no so a terese bia befa bia na asem no ebu anichie ewo social media no so ono na Hopeson Adorye esi efiri se asem ne baaye no odnanu atufom aduaduamu ahunu se efiri Bawumia e camp ena terese eye de eba ye wankofo bia ye fro omo Bawumia for 2028 omo ye adwuma edema eye Bawumia omo na de sansem no ebetu dwa ne nyina ne se ompeso omugu eye onu Hopeson no animu ase na omugu ne yere animu ase na de eye ne ya ene se owomma enkora yi benyinyini abewo ama omo nananom abehu se me maame na na betena asase so sa brabo bobo yiniye yesi ofaye na na be machi ene amanfo 7 producer ededaaye F7 producer dentra brabo allegedly ana chese bobo ye ono ne nei ama Hopeson Adorye adwa wose bese na wotwem yensani ene wotonkra ede akọ eye Bawumia e camp saa se dabi enema no a ekoso no omo hwe na wo mo ye saa de no omo stop wo nanzo so omo bu asem no anichie omo boye mfi taduku omo se kire se omo emfi entienei wose obeso asuomo so na wotwe 7 days ene wa hye ene ono omo nyina ebekọ into gates omo nyina ebekọ form wose ono no enya adere se okope president bi edie da bi entienei se Bawumia na adwene se wo momugu nanimu ase no won stop omo de a ene de ono so nim efa na yire hu bia allegedly chopment bia akoso bia no obehwie ni nyina ede gu social media no so na bese fie go krata we de on fie go krata wo na mum obehwie ede gu eye social media no so ama wiase nyina ahunu eye abrabo allegedly eye yewura Bawumia na yire obo so my na adwene se Bawumia for 2028 campaign no anase tono mo so mo kono thank you tono ono no mo de ne kode a ene obesanua ede agu eye omugarem ama omanum ato se to omuntimi enni ene Hopeson atwa wo civil life yukra na na yere stop no na nsusu otwie for so abeye abusua we ni nsem wo kan ye aha eye Intersem TV subscribe like na share na comment so for my video no emra
sadi wo ya meye Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Mrs. Samira Bawumia, Anna Samia Uku, Nipa Miensa Kyei, take note. Others will join later, but these 3 people, take note. Someone you want to say, me, Anna Mudibe Moya. Look, Dr. Bawumia, make you go campaign one. I don't want to have a program with you. You're the personal program. But I am saying this with seriousness and pain. Eti Dr. Bawumia say obi beka say oyire Samira man for nene de da. How will you feel? So, how will you feel? Say beka say me go for obi ase o meko meko mame. Me ameko meko. Eti na me say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Samira Bawumia, and then Samia Uku. Take note of today's intro, because in some of the baby hono, it will shock Ghanaians. Number one, me hope say me a politician. Me yire a politician. Number two, my wife is not contesting any election. Number three, I am no more MPP member. Take note of this. Now, Emaya bi omo say omo na ye Bawumia for president 2028. Oko TikTok a omo aye Bawumia. So, omo say Bawumia for 2028. Bawumia for 2028 no, and omo hide behind. And omo de meyere enemy and as you me ubetima di matem 20 years. I don't care. Bempah ho. Na ode meyiri bamu a. Hey, said you be shia wo no. I will crush you one time. Mudina mohu for the past 3 weeks. Every day a branch Ghana say ababa obi oy MPP ni no loyal ladies. ONEGHANA politician bi nyemoye. Sade no nke dia warija ye kra bre politician. Ana politician no dada na ire say omo ya abortion. Ana watamo no de wakoto UK. Ana wote hodum na wo say ubegu nkrofo ni mase. Hey. Madam, you steady. I have what it takes to make you miserable. I have what it takes to make you miserable. But my share for the past 3 weeks, many nkrofo bre akasa wo Bawumia camp. Or ma pay deaf air to it. It means he say, mo endorse ni omo ye na enye sa. Mo ndi mo nsamo amebe brogu samira so okro ma say ya. Mo akasa nka mo to America de dada. Take it from me. Miss Robiao. Say, Mubetna say, na me yira wonye politician. Na because of mo politics inti, na mo teso Bawumia for 2028. Na budi gumi yira ni mwasia. I will give you double dose of what they are doing. Me say nsembia na Bawumia grand go be collapse. Me na make a show. I am giving you people 24 hours. Whether you do it or not, and there be problem. But me say, I work with the law of Moses. When you slap me, I will slap you and slap you hard. When you step on my toe, I will step on your toe and step it hard. You say a word to the wise. Share. I saw for free, a pennyfo be free, any other. My catch room, my show, mo say, and ne, be ye intro, no more who nientia, be say me babe kosavi. Mojane wo, Sam mojane wo mumuno, and ya do be other will be muong. Mobodam wong. Mobodam. Hogumi ready mwase no bembe kishuo me say some be pepe ogroma sadi pa me say amabomudin Dr. Bawumia, Samira Bawumia and Samia Uku. Get ready for me. Get ready for me. If you tell me say you don't know them, why can't you release a statement and call them to order? Why can't you do that? Mobu ba them na say dey. Wa pa bibi gra fatida. But let me make sure say I put it on record. Sadina ma ya to hodum no. Hwe me yire wo ma. Enkwala yi ba begin wo mu bewo. Wo mu ma ba begin ye kwa kohwe ye nana ne yakikasa sa nana ye nana tiana. Who will explain to them? Mu beti ase say na nya nokre. Who will explain to them? Say sa na tie dia ane ye nyina ye beko gata no. Me da gata mi sra afiase bia. Edi mani su se mi bepe president adi. Eti mi mfa ho. mende mu nyina be ko gata mu mo abobɔ adam eti aya mu de me mo bia kwan e ma no ma yesu so oba beka bi mo ma me nka ma asem wie ya me bo afri kire ko no be bia to mama obi opese obeka bi bia no oba beka bi me say enya nipa ba ko enya nipa bi no enya nipa miensa from Bawumia camp physical da me no video ya me physical me call the spiritual wings so me ka sem na say o di be diagra me mfa ho but what I plan to do I will do it eje jimi sem say wo beka say wo kwa koye campaign amobi wo kwa ko obi a wonye politician obi a won ma me contest any elections not never be see oda wudi na tem egu ni mwase. Do you know how many years I taking my wife to build her brand up to this stage? Mabubu adam won. Wuti akurase now the yin sen kokko blackmail bema no otabu kokko to abrochira. Tese won dwene won breye won hu se de setie se de amanfo nam awiam ednam anwa so edi kokko pie wa abrochire ni ade no wanya binti no wuti hodum na nkwasa asem na wudi. I swear to God. Hwe saga na jollof yi. Ada me kan wa ha sei. Se wo ma me konfo no. Samia ugu. Obi a obedi adem ho bia wo nye focus. Maybe we are be block us microphone nyina. 7 days ya bi be ko wo nya bi mu hwe. Asa? Padam. Me say, me the facts in the baba. Now to so how it feels. Nkwasi asem sa ya tikrom hanum na ye so makasa asem we me say go to that page and see me name wife pictures in kwa na tie nsem omoka sa wumbo dam a will you say those things? Will you say it? It is a bana mbeka say Samira Bawumia ne party mu boys say the dawa bontia Bawumia, will you be happy? Samira, will you be happy? Will you be happy? What ye muda go trade amon hade. Mesi anyina wo kroma sei. Obi anya obi awo. Obi anya obi a. Eti say wo behind crofo say they should disgrace me name my wife me I will not sit back. Safa manya me no. Atwam ebi ni makwan mu. Me o kamia me dwo. That's my Mo bodam wo hu obi atnase I started from the scratch abedi aba be dru sam pempenso yi na wo ti honom na wo kan kwasi asem ne mu asem mo pipi boys ya muni nam so mo eya na mo hu krai misre na mo hu ya misre hwe Media so first one 1992 ewo kwame danso. That time na nyina bom sending constituency go and ask. Say na Samia ogunma yi nobody say. Enya 10 years o say na nobody. Mon kola ye ni namu ayeji struggle to make sure say MPP benya power. Namu wo he. Aha. Me say from say media you too so from 5 p.m. up to now what do me area highlight 4 times me catch you based on course every Bawumia microphone bi ho aba anwumre asofo ne penifo bi eti me catch you say enne Mimbie Niamaso may ye intro. I'm a man for why I'm saying this. It is a more page now more beautiful. Say mena me mo targeter, Bawumia, I can collapse your campaign. Mena make a show. And yet threat is a promise. until you take action. Na obi di udi ye bibi na say o nye part na say o nji ntumu a, what do you do? O nyam nipa na any statement na be issue and disassociate you from that. Enye say bia me mo amani o na 3 weeks continuous. Hey, me apart from whatever that girl there me mfano, but in some na what they to internet no so ama nchirema no etina maniabre be say mo amoya associated no and mo so mo se be ko internet no so ama mo so mo na no be kan yo. I swear to God. Be ba ma mo yire no mate, e ba ma mo kru no mate. Mesaba. The do so na mente hwe a, na fe ma be bie chapter 1. Na ye koye ni musa. They say Ghanaians will be in shock. It's about me the baba bonti. Mo abo boadam na motete ho no. So movie say obi a na yetache no. I'll fight you to the ladder. Some will come morality. Ye be bie morality no mu pa. Ni ahwe. Mo abo boadam won. Wo wako tari obi kunu hu. Amu atamu di wako akoto abrochira. You are coming to talk about onunti eneme nkwachire bebre. I know Moses abo mi hu se ofre me eni ade. Salam Mustafa me no wakasa nwumre. You promise say obeye bibi. Me catch you say life no dey ne. Me intro no dey it cannot be stopped. Be possible. Nyankopon ya adomo a ochina beto aso. Na de mo say ngege ne keka efa me yire ho mo de mu beyi mo ni amana keka na what that platform ye Bawumia for 2028 ho kwa nsem a mesane afa Samira ho asane afa Bawumia ho asane afa Samia Oku ho no you will be shocked. You will be shocked. Ayen kwasi asem na mudi no sade no mu fi say mo nsanshin ya, why can't you come out and then disown that person? Why can't you do that? Now for 3 weeks, Anna, a man for the Merida, a man for the Merida. What ya UK? Who ya there who is obeying the Merida? And you are quiet. I am not contesting any primaries with you. My wife is not a politician. Now why you're quiet and you are enjoying it. May say you get the bitter part of it. Yeah, Obisa, what was your performance at Konkatamanso? Uye Jimmy for Unim. Uye Jimmy for Jefferson Akuno. 2016. Your candidate, MPP candidate, Enya 26,000 votes. Oh, Konkatamanso. 2020, I got 39,700. 2024, my candidate, age 24,000. Why Jimmy? Won't you ask here? Who you Jimmy for? Won't you ask here? So, me canon. Say, me, say, why am I some more sunshine your way and there? And there may some with the bitter part of it. I swear to God. Me, the medium for MPP who may come back who cry about bunting. Make one say one. The minimum I say secret and a secret. Make back okra. What your pamum pushing a mohade? Mupamum pushing a mohade. O German for do obikunachi anya 2 mesa oba kasaba morality. Ebekata about morality. I will be kunu that do akwakosha brochiri. Won't me ma out and me ma make say, oh, this is my man. You are crazy. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Wono ire Samira. Sabia Uku. I am saying this. Sir, Samose Munim Nipano. You are not endorsing it. Now I know the platform of Bawumia for 2028. Now we are quieter. I'm telling you. Medemu di besie ni papa. Boot for boot. wo krom ha say me say morality ye be bie chapter na go morality all right abusuafo eti say na me kan no ene eye intro me shada enche eti medam ase mo a mo ba so mo a mo kasa menya botre ne ne kai ka ho nyina no yankopon hira mo na bodamfo no so mo ha se mo twon kwase asem ne de omo me no mo be wi o akire honom be block o bo nyina free me page no so ho ye kasa nya adwene ne nyansa ne tie nipa na asem a wo ka se wo ane de wo yire akwakosi ayiso for 3 weeks se wo yire ne mema deda wo yire bo adwaman ne ne keka ho a na se be ye wo da then it's up to you mo abodam wo ho adwuma wo ye na wo didi ho na mesoso menya bidie no o ba be se na adwuma no o boa I will fight for my right maka samuse monti ase amopa baby am pese ekobia yenko baby am pese ekobia yenko etimi de maka kire mo me say I am giving you the opportunity samuse enyamo na mo asoma sa afna yina ne maame ye comfort the necessary form na enyamo na mosoma na then come out clearly then I know what to do. The yes answer so there. Eish. Be a venene nife. Mo na mene mu benya. So ye kan be amamo. So ye campaign mamo. Me who campaign one time. Me dia yi ka me say well, I'm not for them because me say Bawumia was my friend. We were together. Paul Ambantemfo. Mo ye struggle na mo hefa